everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be creating this full face glam makeup look for you guys right here. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and if there's any suggestion or anything you guys want to say, please leave a comment down below. So do not forget to do that. Also, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. That's when I'll be updating you guys on when my next video is gonna be out and when it's live. So don't forget to check that out. I'll be mentioning it down right over here, my Instagram handle. So if you guys want to learn, you guys want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, let's start with our base, and I've already moisturized and prepped my skin. Let's go in directly with the foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to be using is from Kryolan, and this one. How I like to apply this foundation and how it sits well on my skin at least is I go in with my ring finger. I just swirl my finger in and then apply it on my face just like that. Yeah, and we're gonna go in with our foundation brush. We're just gonna buff it out. I have tried blending this foundation in with a beauty blender and with a brush, but I feel the best way to do it is with a brush. Definitely with a beauty blender it just does not really happen. This is a full coverage foundation, so it's better to start off light and then go in heavy-handed. You can even use this foundation as a concealer. It's very good under the eyes. It's not dry at all. It sets really well. It does not clog on to your lines or your pores. But today we're not going to go in with this as a concealer. We're going to use a different concealer. Is my Maybelline Instant Anti-Age The Eraser Eye one. This one. And probably we're going to mix it in with our Milani Conceal and Perfect. I love the Milani Conceal and Perfect because it's such a full coverage, yet it does not dry underneath my eyes and it sets really well. So we're just gonna apply this here on our usual areas. So yeah, and I'm gonna take a dab of the Milani concealer. I'm gonna take it at the back of my hand, and then with my finger I'm gonna spread it out and then blend it in. So I'm just gonna blend it in with my finger first and then go in with the beauty sponge. Make sure your beauty blender is damp. So just gonna push it in like this. So whatever is left on the sponge, I'm going to apply it on our eyelids. We need to prime them anyways. Alright, now that we're done setting our concealer, let's go in and fill our brows. Meanwhile, I like the concealer to sit a little bit on my face before I go in and, set it with powder. So I'm just gonna take this brush. It's a dual-ended brush, and I'm just gonna comb my hairs first to have a guide, and then I'm gonna fill it in with powder. And I just use a mix of light brown and black or dark brown, and then I just start filling it here. I'm done filling in my brows. Now let's go in and set our eyelids and our under eyes. So the setting powder that I'll be using is from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. I'm gonna take the setting powder on a beauty blender, on a damp beauty blender, and I'm gonna set my eyelids. Let's go in with our eyes. For that, I'm going to take a tape and tape because I like to have a guideline and I want a sharp look today. So I'm just taking a tape at the back of my hand once, and then I'm going to apply it so it's not that harsh on our skin over here, since our skin is really sensitive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with our transition color, which is a light brown. Just take any shade. I'm just taking whatever light brown that I have, and we're going to take it on a brush like this. I'm just gonna take a small amount, tap the excess, so, and then I'm just gonna place it here and start blending it out. Just taking a small amount and then blending it in. If you guys notice, I'm using a circular motion and I'm not going all the way in. I'm just keeping it halfway through. Right, now that we've got our transition shade on, I'm gonna go in with the Nude Magical palette. This is from Glam actually. It looks like this. I'm gonna be using this shade right here, this one, and I'm gonna be taking it on a brush like this, and we're gonna start packing it in right on the outer edge and all the way in here. So we're gonna build it up, so we're gonna take a small amount at a time. Alright, now that I've got the intensity that I like, I'm just gonna go in with the brush that we first used as our transition shade. I'm not adding any product. I'm just gonna blend this out so that, you know, there's no harsh lines. I'm just going in circular motions. So now that we're done with this, we're gonna add a pop of gold on the center of our lid. So the gold that I'm going to be taking is this one. It's a beautiful gold. So we're going to try taking on the brush first, and I'm just going to be applying right here. You can already see how amazing that looks. And then we're gonna go in with the same brush that we applied the darker shade, and we're gonna blend it in. Our eyes are done. We can get this tape off. So now we're just gonna go in with the darker shade and apply it on our lower lash line. Now that is that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna apply a brown eyeliner on our waterline. Just like that. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna blend it out. So I'm just gonna take a small brush like this, And I'm just going to blend that out on our waterline. So now that is done, I just feel I need a little more depth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna slightly just apply it right over here. We're not gonna go in, we're just gonna slightly apply it, and that's it. I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and just blend this all together. Just like that. So we're just gonna go in with mascara, and I'm gonna be applying my usual Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama. It's the best. So I'm done applying mascara. I forgot to curl my lashes before applying mascara, but that's completely fine. Once it's completely dried, that's when I'm gonna go in. Otherwise, you can rip your lashes off. So we're just gonna wait for it to dry. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and complete the rest of our face. So we're gonna go in with my matte bronzer from Techni. It's the same bronzer that I always use. Just gonna go in. So now I'm going to go in with my blush, and I'll be using my Glams Makeup blush palette as usual. I love these blushes, like they're so versatile. You can use them on any look, really. So I'm just going to mix in 2 blushes. We're just going to take our beauty blender, and we're just going to be tapping out the edges so that, you know, it does not look harsh at all. So let's go in and complete our lips. We're gonna go in with lipstick. I would choose to go in with a burgundy shade, a red shade. You can choose a red shade, you can choose a burgundy shade. I'm just gonna be lip lining my lips with a dark pink type of lip liner, but I'm gonna use MAC Soar. It's just to lip line, and then we're gonna go in and fill our lips. So I just lined my lips with MAC Soar. I do not have red at the moment. You can just go in with anything. You just need to have, you know, a guide. And then I'm gonna go in with a burgundy shade. It's from Nudestix. It's their magnetic matte lip color, and it's in the shade burgundy itself. So I'm just gonna be filling it in. This is such a beautiful color, but just make sure to apply it quickly as possible, as quick as possible, because it does dry up really quickly. I just want to go in and touch up with my gold a little bit, so I'm just going to take my finger for that. and I'm just gonna be placing it right here. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to add highlighter, so we're just gonna do that really quickly. I'm gonna be taking a highlighter. I'm gonna be taking the same highlighter which is there in a blush palette, which I generally take. So I'm gonna apply it with a beauty blender as I generally do. Whatever is remaining, I'm just gonna be adding it here. After applying highlight, I generally go in with my blush just a tad bit because I feel it takes it out. Yeah. If you want, you can just apply a little bit under your only step now that's left is to curl my lashes. I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes and be back. Alright, so I'm done curling my lashes. I know this is a glam makeup, but I will not be going falsies. I like my natural lashes. I like the way they look. They're long and they're curled up. So I'm not gonna be going in with any falsies or anything. So yeah, I think we're done with our makeup. Alright guys, so that's it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this full face glam my version makeup. So yeah, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you guys have any suggestions or you guys want to say anything, please write it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for being with me through this entire tutorial. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.